Berto here. So what we're gonna do is Exit Railroad is finished, so I can make like a short video about it. So beginning, I added the coin. And nothing else after that, but I did make the level all the way until it hit long length. And the only medium levels I have has to be camera. Not when it's invaded, that's a short one. It was when I was still creating coordinates. And this is a new part that was supposed to be a bomb when it's invaded. Not a new What? 42! We got 42! Okay, you can die to that, so you can actually. Like, did the orb act like a blue orb? Like, I don't even know, bro. Like, the reason why I'm recording my computer now is because the galaxy is supposed to storage is like splitting up. Like, the full nation video when I verified it is 4 damn gigabytes. Which is crazy to me. Because is it really hard, storage like a freaking Subway Surfers fan with his iPad? Like, if I see an iPad kid and they say, can you find my iPad? I'm just gonna punch them straight in the damn face like a freaking moron. Man, if I didn't die at 87 on club stop, I could have beat it, bro. This is worse than dying at 98% on Rodeon again, bro. Go on to beat it. I'm actually freaking done.